Naiya car crash driver released after posting bail, sabi ng AVSE Group. Ito yung article ng GMA News Online. The driver in the fatal car crash at the Ninoy Aquino International Airport or NAIA has been released after posting bail, the Philippine National Police Aviation Security Group said on Friday. AVSE Group Public Information Officer Chief Police Lieutenant Colonel Lizelle Dimandal told GMA News Online that the driver was released from the custody of NAIA Police Station 1. So dahil nga nahuli itong driver na sumagasad or kumaladkad doon sa sa bollard na napakabwisit na pinirmahan ni Duterte. Tandaan po natin yan. Sa kanyang proyekto po yan, di ba? Mahilig kayong mag credit grab. So yan, sa kanya yon, di ba? So yon, na nakapagpawala ng isang buhay, di ba? Pagpawala na baka kasi mabantayo, di ba? Medyo malungkot kasi parang bata ata yun nawala. Kung tama yung pagkakaalala ko. And ayun, nakalaya pansamantala yung driver dahil nag-post siya ng bail. This is pursuant to the release order issued by Regional Trial Court, National Capital Region Branch 109, Pasay City on Thursday. Ito ang sabi ni Dimandal. The accused posted corresponding cash bond amounting to 100,000 pesos for his provisional liberty. Grabe, may pera yung tao. 100,000 na ibayad. Grabe. According to her, the driver was turned over to his live-in partner after his physical and medical examination at the Pasay City General Hospital yielded negative results for external signs of injury at the time. Tumutunog na yun. Mamaya na yan. Ayun, so okay naman yung mga resulta ng kanyang hospital. Ang hospital niyo. Grabe. On May 4, the SUV driven by the 47-year-old man from Batangas crashed into the Departure West curbside area of NAIA Terminal 1 according to AVSE Group. 2 people died. 2 pa pala yung namatay. Diyos ko. In the incident, several people were also injured. Kasi parang maraming tao nun sa part ng NAIA na yun nung nangyari yung na yun. May CCTV camera na ipinost. Diyos ko. Grabe. Personnel from NAIA Police Station 1 arrested the suspect at the scene. After a series of tests and medical evaluations, the driver's alcohol and drug test yielded negative results. So hindi naman siya nakainom, hindi naman siya nakapagdroga. Pero meron pa rin pagkakamali dito yung driver dahil nga ayun. The driver is facing a criminal complaint for reckless imprudence resulting in homicide, multiple physical injuries, and damage to property under the revised penal code. So magkano ibabalik dun sa bollard na nasira? Damage to property, magkano yung damage ng bollard na yun? 100 piso? Gusto. Bona kasi nung gumawa ng bollard, hindi pa ilalim yung Parang lang naglagay ng poste ng ilaw. Isip na yan. So mga kaibigan, ano pa masasabi nyo sa pansamantalang paglaya ng driver na nakasagasa sa NAIA? Comment down below.